When thinking about doing a home renovation like a kitchen, most people think that they need to put together a list of their needs. What they actually should be thinking about is a list of their wants.
Yeah, so the other day I was at this woman's house and we were in her kitchen and she said to me, and we were looking around at the kitchen and it had lots of cabinets, lots of counters, and she said, it's not like some people wouldn't love to have this kitchen, pause, but I want more. So after some discussion, we got to the point where she was visualizing what it could be. So she was able to, in the future, in her kitchen, after it was renovated, thinking about being able to entertain, to have a nice open floor plan, and where she's in the kitchen and she can actually talk to the people who are in the adjacent family room. So she wasn't limiting herself to what she needed. Instead, our conversation was allowing her to really dream about what it would be in the future and just how awesome it would be, all of the things that she really wanted. She already had what she needed, but now she was thinking about what she wanted. So in addition to having it be open to the adjacent spaces, she wanted to be light and bright and airy, to have lots of windows so she could see her awesome backyard, and she wanted to have a vaulted ceiling and skylights to let the light in.
So in addition to allowing people to gather there, it can be a space that just feels really nice and good, and you just love to be in that space.
Yeah. So typically, the kitchen, it's the hub of the house, and if it is laid out properly and really designed right, it can be an awesome entertaining space, and it's a place that fosters your relationships with your family, with your friends. It really allows you to just invite everybody over if you want, or to just hang out there by yourself if that's what you prefer.
Yeah. So in addition to becoming the hub of the house, it also becomes the heart of the house.
Oh yeah, for sure.